The biggest problem I see in New York today on the jazz scene is simply supply and demand. There is too many musicians vying for the few opportunities to play.
And Lincoln would write letters to Joshua Speed, and he would sign them with, "Yours forever." Yours forever? I don't get that, and I'm taking it up the ass every other night.
You're crazy.
Mary Todd would have never put up with that.
Okay, do your own research, babe. I'm convinced. It's our nation's best-kept secret.
You're rolling? Erase it, please. We don't need Brooke's sex life mixed in with our footage.
I am just sick and tired of these chicks thinking that they understand you just because they are scared of doorknobs and zippers.
And sugar.
I can't believe how much she's grown. Almost as beautiful as her mother.
You flatter me.
不好意思，我还有功课没有做完。
Kathy, we should discuss your summer plans.
Not right now. We're having dinner.
I'm talking to my daughter. Now, Uncle Sam is looking for a summer intern for the New York office. That sounds like a good summer plan, You learned something.
Kathy probably not interested in family business anymore.
Nonsense. She'll go.
Just like old times.
Daddy,
We're defined by the choices that we make in the face of defeat. You face defeat now, Gavin. And I know you don't want it to end this way.
这个人呢，是我妈朋友的儿子。这个人呢，他刚从天津工作回来。你觉得哪一个好？他很帅呀，我喜欢他。
You know, now that I think about it, I probably learned this behavior from observing my father.
Oh?
You see, he was my only male role model growing up, and I used to watch him do the exact same thing to women.
Oh, that's so terrible. That must have been tough.
Oh, come on, man. You know I got troubles with Nora.
How much?
50.
50?
well, he said that's all he wanted.
That's all he wanted? How can I believe that when your fucking shirt is ripped to shreds?
Thank you so much.